Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Eva, could you pour me some tea, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Eva, could you pour me some tea, please, from there?
Yeah.
Thank you. Should I give George some tea?
Yeah.
Can you pour everyone tea out of the teapot?
Oh, did it!
Oh, you did it! Very nice. Yes, I would like a cookie. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Here go. This is purple one. Here go. Thank you. I'm making this food. Here go. Making this food. Here go. Here you go, monkey. Here you go. Here you go. Daddy.
Oh, thank you.
Just pull it out. Here you go.
Thank you.
No.
Oh, that doesn't go there?
No. Oh no, we stop.
Oh.
Start.
Oh, that's mine, I think. Thank you. Could you put some cookies in there?
Who's that?
Who is that?
Daddy's.
Oh, that's Daddy's. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Who's that?
Yeah. Oh, it's Daddy's. You're right.
Eva's.
Oh, it's that one's Eva's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yes.
And pull out.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Ready? Here we go. Daddy.
Thank you.
Miss Monkey. Ready? Here you go. You better pull out. Who's this? Who's this?
I don't know. Whose is that? Is that Daddy's? Or is it Eva's?
Yeah.
Oh.